Hey, Scott, I know something that comes up a lot is you get in a situation, you're working with your insurance company, and they recommend a contractor. Is that normally the best path to go?
Well, going with the contractor that the insurance company recommends can have both pros as well as cons. For example, one of the pros would be is that you've got a team of people that are used to working with each other. That can be a real big benefit, well as some of the people have been vetted somewhat. So, they have some pull with that particular contractor to make sure the job's done correctly. Some of the cons, however, they're not always upfront and telling you what those are. One of the cons is that in order to be a part of some of those programs, the contractors agree to only charge a certain amount of money or to agree to whatever the adjuster thinks is right. You want somebody that's an advocate specifically for you. If that's what you're looking for, you don't want to use a insurance company contractor, because that contractor, in order to be a part of that program, has agreed to certain rules and regulations and pricing structures that may not actually cover the full loss. In addition, the most of the insurance company programs, the insurance company doesn't run the program. They'll have a third-party administrator that's part of that. And that third-party administrator is between the insurance company and the contractor and you. Well, that's just one more level of bureaucracy that you have that can sometimes slow a project down, as well as sometimes the contractor is fighting with a third-party administrator to get things approved. So in effect, instead of just having to go to the insurance company to get it approved, it's going to go through two layers before it gets approval. And that can prevent you from being able to get the quality of the project that you deserve to have.